Hi everyone, John Cleese here with Lake Effect Garden and Design, and we are up here in Charlevoix, Michigan, just about a mile in from Lake Michigan. And I wanted to show you this new property that we just bought. One of the things I really love about this property is look at all of the red twig dogwood that you can see across the property. So up here, it's very sandy and drier as we get up towards the hilltop. And then as we come down the hill, here you can see all of that red twig dogwood that's in somewhat of wetlands that goes down. And then it really goes into sort of the cedar swampy forest down there with a bunch of evergreens. There's tamarack trees down there. There are spruce trees, some beautiful spruce trees. But anyway, a lot of great stuff. However, there is a lot of this sort of field grass that needs to come out. It's not native. And we are going to be working to get rid of all of that in the next couple of years. And also, you can't see them now, but there's also a lot of the Russian olive on this property. But I wanted to give you a look at this property before we start to work on it. Again, looking forward to really restoring this with a lot of native grasses and forbs, and really make this quite the showplace for native plants. All right, more to come. Remember, don't forget to like these videos and go to the channel, and we'd love for you to subscribe to Lake Effect Garden and Design. See you soon.